Well, they suggest to us the exercise of opening the spreadsheet that we have obtained in the previous practices, which is about furniture, the acquisition of tables and chairs, and we perform a series of transformations. The first transformation that we have to do is, once we have seen it in the preliminary view, we see that we do not like it, that it is in a vertical sense, and we change the orientation of the sheet to the horizontal sense. This, if we remember, when we have the spreadsheet, we see that, indeed, if we want to print this sheet, which we have already solved, we send it to a paper, it will be printed in this way. In this way, we see that it is not sufficiently elegant, it does not convince us. So what we are going to do, the first transformation that we are going to do, is to put the paper in a horizontal sense. We are going to change the orientation. We have this here, we have it very easily. We can do it in these fast configuration tools. We can do it and change the horizontal orientation. It is very simple. We had it both here and also once we are in the design of the page. Here we also have the quick access button in which we can give it the horizontal vertical orientation. What happens here is that we do not have it so visible. Logically here we can change it, but we would only see that they would change the line in which it is going to cut from one sheet to another. And then it does not give us as much of a feeling. We do not see it as clearly as if we were doing it precisely in the backstage, here in the back room, which is where we can really see how the sheet of paper printed on paper is going to look at every moment.